Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia, and I just want to remind you guys to remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and hope you enjoy the video. So I'm going to be creating a floral background, and I'm using this palette so that I can get the color tones that I desire, which I preferred the ones you see, and basically drawing random flowers and connecting them with the stalk of the flower, and just adding the purple. And at this point it feels like I'm explaining what I see, so this is self-explanatory. It's basically a time lapse of what I created for my textile image or fabric, which you'll see towards the end. I didn't do such a detailed illustration, but I did. I created it on Procreate, and I just wanted you to have a record of the same. And let me know if you want a detailed one, and I will if you guys ask me to on the comments down below. If you're not interested, then we'll move on swiftly. But this was a fun piece to do, and it was also one of the practices I wanted to do on my my iPad using Procreate, seeing that I normally create using Illustrator. So yeah, this is what it looked like. I did try different color variations, which you'll see towards the end. Here I just patterned them so that I can make sure that the pattern is flawless, and when there was a mistake I just had to do it over and just make sure that this particular drawing inside within this square, like if I share it repeatedly, I just wanted it to be flowing as a complete pattern. So that's what I was working on, that's what I was trying to duplicate. And so stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. See you at the end. I had to do it again, and this is the colors that I loved the most. I loved this art. I changed the color tones. I loved this one as well. Kind of looks like cotton wool but petals at the same time. It was such a good vibe. And then I also tried this one, and I like this one a lot, so then I used it as well for fabric, and this is what it looked like. This is just how it would look like as a sheet for pillows or as a duvet, and just giving you some samples so then you get a visual tablecloth or table runner. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you're stuck through the video until now, thank you. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and see you in the next one. Bye.